Mitsubishi have been producing compact PLCs for over 30 years now, and there are over 13 million CPUs out there. FX PLCs are premium compact PLCs, so they're high functionality, low cost PLCs that are very adaptable due to the fact there are many expansion modules and options available for them. This is the FX5U. It's the first of our new IQF PLC range. FX is renowned for its ease of use and simplicity. The step forward we've made with IQF maintains that simplicity but allows people to use those PLCs in even more complex and sophisticated applications. You'll see that we've maintained some of the option capabilities of our previous range, so anybody who's used previous generations will find it quite easy to work with the new product. But as well as that, we've got a number of new features that are now built in as standard. On the front, you'll notice there's an Ethernet port. The fact that our PLCs have an IP address means we can quickly and easily connect them up to the web. The net result is they can better support their customers and better support their businesses by using the Internet of Things. We also have some other extra connections. They are an analog I/O block at the top, which has 2 inputs and 1 output, and at the bottom there's an RS485 connection. Another new feature is an SD memory card slot. Security is one of the high priorities at Mitsubishi, and we've built it into the FX5U as standard. We have a means to restrict access for remote users on the CPU. We can also assign software keys to protect people's intellectual property. The FX5U has an incredibly fast 34 nanosecond per step processor. We believe that to be the fastest compact PLC in the market. In addition to that, we've also increased the speed of the bus system. It's now 150 times faster than its predecessor. As well as having inbuilt high-speed counters, which incidentally are now even faster, we also have a new 4-axis simple motion control module. And with features such as interpolation and continuous control built in as standard, this enables you to use it on some very sophisticated systems. Here at Mitsubishi, we like to make the adoption of new technology as easy as possible. The FX5U is dimensionally identical to its predecessor, the FX3U. That means implementing an FX5U into a system is very easy. You can directly import programs produced in previous generation software directly into the new GXWorks 3 programming tool. Once you're familiar with GXWorks 3, not only can you program IQF, but you can also program the larger modular systems. And because there are many common features across the PLC ranges, migration from smaller to larger PLC systems is just that much easier. FX5U gives you total reliability, even better value for money, higher performance, easier configuration and connectivity with security.